Class, now we're looking at our ELA Google Classroom. As you can see, the vocabulary, the Easy CBM, and the News to You is posted. I've already did a video on how to do Easy CBM, and I've done a video on how to do News to You. Now I'm going to do a video about vocabulary using Google Slides. So I'm going to click on Google Slides vocabulary. That's going to take you to your link. And it's going to have your name as well as the slides. Now, for my purpose, I won't be typing directly in here. I'll be typing into another one that I created so I don't change the original document that you all get. So I'm going to go to my Google Slides. I created a fake slideshow. Did I pass you by Google Slides? There you go. So now I'm going to Google Slides. You don't have to do this part. You're just going to click on the button like I just showed you. Then I'm going to pull up the teaching one. Here's my teaching copy. All right, so this is exactly what you see when you click on the button. So you'll click on the vocabulary, and it will say your name at the top and vocabulary. So now I'm going to edit a slide. I'll click on slide number 2, and it says basketball. What I need to do is I need to type a sentence about basketball. It could be a very easy sentence. Capital I like to play basketball with my friends. All right, I did a typo, so there's a red line. I'm going to click on the red line and hit the right key, and it's going to tell me the correct spelling of basketball. And I'm going to click on that. Now my sentence is correct. If you don't see any red lines, go to Tools, Spelling, Spell Check, and then it says Underline Errors, and you click on that, and then you'll be able to see any word you misspell. Next, I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to go to Image. And I'm going to upload an image from searching the web. So when I search the web, I'm going to search the word basketball because I want a picture of basketball. Basketball. So here's basketball. And I can scroll through it and find any picture I like. Let's say I like this one. I'm going to click on it and hit Insert. Now I have a picture of basketball, but it's covering up my words. So I'm gonna shrink the picture by pulling the arrow down and putting it on my slideshow like that. Now I'm gonna click on my next slide. It says tournament. I'm gonna make this sentence a question. Who won the basketball tournament? Have another, supposed to put a question mark there. All right, now I'm going back to where it says Insert up at the top. Click on that. I'm gonna hit Image, and then I'm gonna go search the web. Now I want a picture of a basketball tournament. And it's giving me some options. I don't like them though. So now I'm going to do bracket. Oh, there's my bracket. I'm gonna use that because I've seen that before in News to You. And I'm gonna hit Insert. And that's gonna give me a picture. I'm gonna go to the corner of the picture. You see that arrow? See, it goes from like a regular cursor. This one allows you to move it, but this one allows you to shrink it. See how the arrow changes from a pointer to a double arrow like that? I click and I drag it down to make my picture smaller. Now I have a picture on my slide and it's small enough so I can still see my words. Then I click on my next slide. This one says teams. I like being on your team. All right, notice I didn't use the word teams. I just said team. It still works, so I'm still using the vocabulary word. Then I'm going to hit insert, image. Then I'm going to go search the web. And now I'm going to look up basketball team. And now I can pick a picture of a basketball team that I like. I'm gonna choose this one with them in the huddle. And then I'll hit insert. The picture shows up again. I take the arrow here. It goes to like a double arrow, and I shrink my picture down. All right, once I've shrank my picture down, it fits on my page, and I can go to my last Google slide. My last Google slide says win. I'm gonna say, we like to win the big game. Do I like that sentence? We like to win the big game. Ooh, what if I say, will we win the big game? So I can change that to will. Will we win the big game? Now it becomes a question. All right. Again, I go up to the top where it says insert. I go image, upload from the web, search the web, and then I'm gonna go win in the corner. So I'm just erasing basketball team, and now I'm selecting the word win. I'm gonna use the trophy picture, and I'm gonna make it smaller. And then I'm done with my assignment. And of course, when you're done with your assignment, you'll go back to classwork and you will hit turn it in. I don't have a turn in option on mine because it is the teacher's Google Classroom. But you'll be able to go down here to view assignment and select turn in.